Welcome. Today I am with AirPods Max and also with a smartphone, and I will show you how you can perform the hard reset of this headset. So as you can see, I'm currently connected. That's very important because I will show you that the hard reset is really working. So let's go for the reset process, and we have to focus on the right headset, where we can find these two buttons. It's ambient sound control and the crown, digital crown. So we have to click and hold these two buttons for like 15 seconds and take a look on this indicator at the bottom. When this indicator blinks like 3 or 4 times on the red, it means that the hard reset is successful. So let's make it right now. Click and hold and take a look at this indicator at the bottom. Keep holding these buttons. Okay, it blinks 3 times, so right now we can finally release these buttons. Right now they are moved to the pairing mode, and take a look. We are not connected anymore. They just pops to the previously connected devices, and when I try to tap on them once right now, I will be not connected automatically. I will get the new pairing request. So as you can see, we successfully hard reset them because all settings were restored to the default, and right now we can just connect one more time with them. So yeah, that's how the factory reset process looks on the AirPods Max. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.